So let's briefly review the definition of a function. A function is a rule or mathematical formula that for every input, there exists exactly one output. So there are three separate parts to a function. There's the input, the output, and the rule or formula. Say you are currently working a job so that you can save up enough money for a brand new gaming system. You want to purchase a PS5, which costs approximately $500. Now, you do need the games to go along with the system, which average to $60 per game. Now, this entire output value will give you the total cost or total amount spent. Moving back to our equation, if you're thinking that this looks just like a linear equation, you are correct. Now we're going to introduce this idea of a linear function. So this y value, I want you to rewrite this as f of x. F of x is written with parentheses. This is allowing us to jump into this idea of evaluating a function. We're going to evaluate a function at this x input to find this output value. You can't find the cost if you don't know how many games you're trying to purchase. So the cost is dependent, the number of games is independent. It doesn't rely on the cost. If you purchase 0 games, how much does it cost? Now, immediately you may be able to find the answer, but I do want to show you algebraically, how to find that x input of 0. So here we'll have f of 0, your new x value is 0, equals 60 times 0 plus 500. 0 games cost $0. So we know we will have 0 plus 500, and we know f of 0, this is your notation, f of 0 equals 500. 500 is the output value, 0 is the input value. Maybe you want to know how much you need to save up to purchase 2 games. We're now going to replace this x value with 2. Let's evaluate. F of 2 equals 60 times 2 plus 500. Following order of operations, 60 times 2 is 120 plus 500 for your final output value of 620. If you want to purchase 2 games, you will be spending $620. Maybe you're like, oh my gosh, I have 5 favorite games. Okay, see how much you need to save up for the gaming system and those 5 games. Using the same formula, we're going to take f of 5 equals 60 times that input of 5 plus 500. 60 times 5. So the cost of 5 video games will be $300 plus the amount that you spend for that gaming system. F of 5 equals $800. So the input of 5 games will give you the cost of $800. Does every input have exactly one output? Every x value has exactly one output, so we know it's a function.